welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little different, you guys. As you guys know, I am a makeup artist and I do have a client today, and I'm gonna kind of bring you guys along in what I do in my makeup life. It's not really going to be too much of a full-on tutorial, but kind of I'm going to show you guys the before and after of my work. And I do hope you guys enjoy it. I know this is not a VSG video, but you guys are kind of seeing a full body of me a little bit there. But I'm going to show you guys my work, and I do hope you guys enjoy it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. Okay guys, this is my beautiful client. We're going to start her right now. Her name is... Are you excited? Yay! Let's get started. Okay guys, this is the finished look. Denise, close your eyes. She looks so bomb. Give us a smile. You can open. Beautiful. So beautiful.